Hello everyone, let's make baklava today. All the ingredients are listed on the video. I will also put it on description. This is a usual baklava recipe with 3 special instructions that would make a better baklava than you would make. So let's start. First, melt the butter, and you would be rewarming it while you're using it. Then grind the nuts, pistachios first, add the walnut, grind again, and it will not be a smooth, powdery ground nuts, it will be grainy. Then add the rest of the ingredient, use a spatula to mix. Special instruction 1, using coconut flakes, the unsweetened coconut flakes, which would enhance the flavor of the nuts. Then make the syrup. Melt the sugar with water first on a pan on a medium heat. Then add the rest of the ingredient along with special instruction number 2, whole cloves, which would enhance the flavor or intensify the flavor of the syrup. Then when it's slightly cooled, add the lime juice to it. Then preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and get the phyllo sheet ready. You would throw it according to instruction, meaning refrigerating the package overnight the night before and unwrap and place it on a kitchen towel. You'd be separating the phyllo sheets from there. Butter the bottom layer, bottom of the pan you're using, and cut the phyllo sheet according to the size of the pan. Then place one layer at a time, butter, then another layer, butter, and up to 10 layers of phyllo sheets that way. Then sprinkle half of the nut mix on top of it. Then another 8 to 10 layer of phyllo sheets along with butter. Then the rest of the nut mix. Then the top 10 layers. Then butter at the top. Then you would be cutting the individual pieces of baklava using a ruler so that you have a neat cut. You can trim the edges if it's looked messed up. Then bake it for about an hour on the oven. Take it out and cool completely. So this is the special instruction number 3, cooling the baklava and the syrup completely. Then pour the syrup. This way, your baklava pieces would remain crunchy for days. When you serve, you can sprinkle some ground pistachios or rose petals, the dried rose petal, that is. The pieces would look good. So I hope you make the batch of baklava this way. You'll be very happy. Enjoy. Bye.